What if we need to pray as one, blending Islam and Christianity? What if they plan to shut down and then reboot humanity? They're trying to be the greatest, but that's the abnormality. Let's go against the social norms, but that's define insanity.
Yes, Kracktwist and Zamza. What if there was no supremacy? What if we not forget the so-called genius of Freemasons? Some deep thinking research, now end pass sneeze and cough. Now then kind stupid scientists to fit and cough.
What if we never exist? We all live in Trump's dream. What if the end is now? What if the worst is not what we've just seen? What if we're meant to suffer and live a better afterlife? What if being dead sets you free up heaven get a nice?
We get the rights, quarantine, we stay home and get the nice. If the O2 blow well like all room fish gon' need better ice. Say you food chop parata, now he make the thing spread. But you fling grandpa, we don't chop parata with big bread. Stop the blame games, we ain't fools, we can fight this. We can wait for the mistakes, yeah, didn't fight this.
The world cries devastation, we are all devastated. People die of May disease like they've been terminated. What if we stop saying what if? What if we say we can? What if we fucking act a movie, all this shit has been planned?
They say wait two elephants fed na grass they suffer. Well if the grass suffer, waiting go left for the grasshopper. What if they fighting for super wall? Coco and pizza, if you know one fan big one, unu take rockets and go Jupiter.
What if they got the answers to all the fucking questions? What if they trying to find a cure, it's just a wrong impression? Now China fat, we within a free tongue. Don't smell like a chincho way they make for Jackie Chan. Kinduera
Megastical, earbon, minus a plasticam. Radical, thank you one country we waste na Africa. Next week they say then they can't test vaccine na Africa. But if they can't aid, I will take shine paper masticam.
Life's supposed to be a blessing, not a fucking curse. If you fucking make a disease, you should fucking make the drugs. How we go fetch what we notice? This battle that's for winner, we they sleep with why I open now that make it hard for the game.
Na Johnny lesson Maryland, 8 o'clock Fairyland. What if we serve a send for people in Maryland? Yes, imagine them on the motor boom. Quarantine but angry day, what?
We need to change the way we look at things. For make the thing change the way me body like the lockdown, he make a thing strange.
Who is fooling who between Trump and Uncle Train fool? Some say na 45G with the champagne time shum boom shim kung. Think reflect if you get better ace, cause I believe say one day the world go be a better place.
Yeah, I know Jassie Jossy on the mix.